we're helping this customer out with a bird's nest. And I love my job. I've been doing this 10 years and wouldn't really change it because my boss is really good. He helps out a lot with everything. The people at the office are really good about what they do and we all help each other out to grow as a business grows. So this customer is having a problem with their vent, and just get in here real quick to show you what happens with these type of hoods is I wanted to grab it. Yeah, it is really packed up inside there. But you can see that nest inside there. And it's obviously fresh because there's some green grass in there. There we go. See if I can pull it out some more. Look at that. That's a good little nest. And nests can go from like 1 foot to the length of the pipe, which is not good because that backs up the dryer to the point where it can actually damage the dryer or accidentally catch it on fire, which is not good for the house either. So if you want to work for a really good company and you don't mind heights and being hot, we're the right fit for you.